Once upon a time, in a vibrant and colorful coral reef, there lived 10 butterfly fish. Each fish had a unique and stunning color that set them apart from the rest. There was Blueberry, a bright blue fish with shimmering scales that sparkled in the sunlight. Then there was Sunshine, a warm yellow fish that radiated happiness wherever she swam. Coral was a stunning pink fish that blended in perfectly with the coral around her. The leader of the group was Midnight, a sleek black fish with mysterious eyes that seemed to hold secrets untold. Ocean was a deep indigo fish with iridescent scales that glittered like the ocean itself. Rainbow was a kaleidoscope of colors with every hue imaginable swirling together on her scales. Each fish had their own territory within the coral reef, where they would frolic and play all day long. But one day, a strange new fish arrived in the reef. It was a dark and sinister looking fish with razor sharp teeth and a hungry glint in its eye. The other fish were immediately wary of this newcomer, who introduced himself as Shadow. Shadow had a dark and murky aura that made the other fish uneasy. Midnight, the leader, decided to confront Shadow and find out what his intentions were. But as soon as Midnight swam up to him, Shadow lashed out with his sharp teeth, narrowly missing Midnight's tail. The other fish gasped in horror as Midnight darted away, narrowly avoiding a potentially deadly attack. The reef was thrown into chaos as Shadow began terrorizing the other fish, chasing them from their territories and stealing their food. Blueberry, Sunshine, and Coral tried to come up with a plan to outsmart Shadow, but he was always one step ahead. It seemed like there was no way to defeat this menacing intruder. But then Ocean had an idea. She knew of a secret cave deep within the reef that was said to hold mystical powers. Legend had it that anyone who entered the cave would be granted a wish, but at a great cost. Ocean gathered the other fish together and shared her plan. They would all enter the cave together and make a wish to rid the reef of Shadow once and for all. The fish swam through the coral, their hearts racing with anticipation. When they reached the cave, they could feel a strange energy pulsing through the water. As they entered, a voice echoed through the chamber, warning them of the consequences of their wish. But the fish were determined to defeat Shadow, no matter the cost. Each fish made their wish, their voices blending together in a chorus of hope and determination. The cave began to glow with a brilliant light, and suddenly Shadow appeared before them, his menacing form shrinking and fading away until he was nothing but a memory. The reef was saved thanks to the bravery and unity of the 10 butterfly fish. They returned to their territories, their colors shining brighter than ever before, and though they knew they had taken a great risk, they also knew that they had the power to overcome any obstacle as long as they stood together. From that day on, the reef flourished with life and color once again. The 10 butterfly fish became heroes, their tale passed down through generations as a reminder of the importance of unity and courage in the face of adversity. And as they swam through the coral, their colors shimmered in the sunlight, a dazzling display of beauty and strength that would never be forgotten.